Today we're going to be cubing with only this one. Let's start the challenge. Let's do some first turns. Let's do a solve. Well, that was pretty horrible. I'm going to do 50 solves now. Let's see how it goes. So quick update here. It's literally been 5 solves and my hand is so tired already. I can't imagine what 50 solves would be like. Anyways, back to cubing. So yeah, I finished my 50 solves and I've done my daily cubing session with this cube. So what I like about this is, after using it for a while, you can turn faster on other speed cubes. And that's the video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, since I will be doing one solve for every subscriber. And as always, happy cubing.